Handing refers to the direction your door lever points when installed. Understanding this concept is crucial for proper door function and lever orientation. This video focuses specifically on Schlage keyed entry levers. Here's an example of what these levers look like in real installations. First, determine if adjustment is needed. Two key indicators suggest incorrect handing: the door not closing properly or the lever curve appearing upside down. Now let's prepare for the adjustment. You'll need your Schlage pin tool, which should have been included with your lock hardware. Next, insert the key into the lever. This is a crucial step that must be completed before attempting any adjustments. Turn the key to the vertical position, or approximately a quarter turn counterclockwise. The specific angle may vary depending on your particular Schlage model. Important note: some Schlage models have different requirements. The Schlage Ease S1 features automatic handing, while straight levers like the Schlage Latitude have universal handing and don't require adjustment. First, locate the small hole on the lever base. This hole contains the retainer pin that holds the lever in place. Insert the pin tool into the hole to depress the retainer pin. While holding the pin down, gently pull the lever away from the door to remove the inside lever. If your lever has a key cylinder, remove it from the current lever and place it into the opposite lever. This ensures the key will work properly after changing the handing. Reinstall the lever, ensuring the key is in the correct position, usually vertical. Align the retainer pin with the hole on the lever base until you hear a snap sound indicating it's secure. If you encounter resistance when reinstalling the outside lever, try rotating the key 90 degrees to align the pinhole. Finally, test the lock to ensure proper latch engagement and verify the lever curve points downward. If the door doesn't latch properly after installation, you may need to adjust the strike plate position to ensure the latch aligns correctly with the opening.